In this video, we will show you how to send photos as document in WhatsApp. Send photo as documents in WhatsApp have advantage. Our photo will not compress, so the quality is as the original one. In here, we will show you how to send it via smartphone, also via desktop. First in here, to send your photo as document in WhatsApp using your smartphone, first open your Android or iPhone. In here, I will click my WhatsApp. After your WhatsApp is open, just click someone that you want to send the photos as documents. In here, I will send the photo as document to these people. First, we need just click the attach icon in here. Then select documents icon. In here is harder to find your image. You can click this icon, okay? Then just click the image. Now all images on your smartphone will open on the downloads folder. You can also find your photo in another location of your directory by clicking this. You can see there. You can also find your photo in the internal storage like on your smartphone here. But let's just using this. And I will send this photo, for example. And you can see there the size of this photo is 40 kilobytes. You can just click send. After you click send, the photo will not open because this is sent as documents, so the size and the quality is like the original. Your friends can open your photo with the best or the original view or the original size. And the number second, you can also send photo as document using WhatsApp on the websites by open web.whatsapp.com, and you can open some people and you can click this icon, then select documents, and you can find the photo you want to send. For example, I want to send the Call of Duty photo here as document, and we can click send here. You can see this 1 megabytes is not compressed, so your friends can open your photo with the best results or the best view or the best quality. And that's all tutorial how to send photos as document in WhatsApp. Hope this video helpful for you.